Binary operation voina chon en kan tuma closure property binary operation kan zir masak kan zir don chuan closure property hi enge ti ama saberin kan enanga closure property a chuan an operation star atitani star hi operation engponi thei en tinan addition te subtraction te multiplication te division te chi sang etc khang zong kha star an operation star kan ti hi mo eng operation po ani theya only non-empty set is said to satisfy closure property. Chumita chuan closure property and satisfy. Eng tikhuna mo A star B belongs to S for all A belongs to S. Chuchu aomzi an hoya kan la soyanga. If operation star satisfy closure property a satisfy chuan it is known as binary operation kan ti thinani. Chuchu illustration pakhat enila example a chuan addition on a set of natural number is a binary operation, or n is closed under addition. Omzia chu closure property a satisfy tina. Chu omzia chu natural number hi addition a binary operation ani. Chuan chu tiang ani chuan n chu closure property a satisfy tina nia chu atong kama chuan n is closed under addition tina ni. Kan formula a chuan A star B belongs to S for all A belongs to S tinita a. Chuan chu tini chuan addition on a set of natural number is binary operation tini chuan addition hi kan operation ani wangin helai star hi addition tinianga a set hi n anianga for all A B belongs to N. Omzia chu natural number du kan lakin kan bel chuak chu natural number ani zel don tinani. Chumi chu example a entinan natural number du laila 1 le 5 tro natural number du kan lak te hi kan bel chuak chu heavy bel chuak hi enge bel chuak hi 6 ani tro chu natural number tho tro khatiang kha omzia chu natural number du kan laka kan bel chuan natural number tho chuak ani tro ani le addition ti hi subtraction ti in thak taila enge anang Subtraction on a set of natural number is a binary operation. Titaila hi adik law true or false nita se. Ensinang natural number du true laila tro. Chuan du paila 5 paila tro minus 3 chuak dai tro. Chu kan definition ha chuan eta hian operation kha minus ani. A minus B hi ena omzel turani whenever A, B is belongs to N. A B belongs to N. Mo true le 5 te hi natural number amin ni. Chutini chuan 2 minus 5 po natural number turani. Ti na kha nita a. Amaro chu 2 minus 5 equal to minus 3 hi natural number amin ni lo. Tro chumini wang chuan therefore subtraction is not binary operation. Subtraction on natural number tila mo subtraction on natural number is not a binary operation. Emo subtraction is not closed under subtraction is not closed under nilawin tiang subtraction atong kam samjongin does not satisfy closure property. On natural number. Tikhani le mai. Chuan example dang pakhat le enila example chuan rational number emo irrational number lampang ang sintay lang irrational number kan ti tekha ang tinga irrational number kan ti chu root 2 root 3 root 5 top thei lo kan ti ang ho chin kha tro top thei lo kha natural irrational number chu kan ti chung ta ani le irrational bel ila irrational number achuak zel angem irrational number belila irrational number achuak zel angem irrational number kan bela irrational achuak zel chuan binary operation tina niang emo closure property a satisfy tina niang ro chu tiang ani chuan irrational number du pakhat laila chu le kan operation tu chu bel chu le irrational number kan du dang la ila bel ta ila irrational kan bel chuan minus root 3 le root 3 kan set up 4 chok ta atro chu irrational lo ni talo tro does not belong to irrational chu tini chuan hey hi irrational le irrational kan bela irrational achua chuan closure property emo binary operation ani don tinani ma se irrational kan bela rational achuak dei tro for hi rational number ani chu wang chuan irrational therefore addition is not close on the set of irrational number tinaniang khating zel khan natural number apo khan natural number le natural number ibel chuan natural chho zel awangin natural number kha binary operation tinania natural number le natural number imaina sapiangin natural number achuak ve ngai lo achan chu true le -5 ipai chuan true tangin -5 ipai chuan -3 chokang chu natural number ani lo chu wang chuan natural number hi subtraction a closure property a satisfy ve lo emo natural number hi subtraction a binary operation ani lo tina ani vele thongni properties of binary operation ani nangap khatna chon commutative law chu ngem zia commutative law chuan an operation star kan ti chu plus te operation sang plus te minus te division te multiplication kan ti chi khang ho jong kha commutative law dang po mang operation jong kha ni mai on an empty set S is commutative if A star B equal to B star A star hi chang chuan plus niang if for all AB belongs to S chu niam zia chu natural number ibel khan closure property satisfy kan tia chan chu natural ibel chuan natural chuak zel chu a commutative hem kan enang on natural number A le B bella B le A achua zel chuan commutative tina niang for all AB belongs to N intinan natural number 1 le 2 bella 2 le 1 bel nen ain tluk zelem niang tiang kha natural number tiang kha kan ena alo in tluk zel chuan natural number hian addition a commutative law a satisfy tinani chu tiang lo tur chu a ominin cm ni to bang ula lo tro chu wang chuan A le B bel hi B le A bel ne main ang zelang chu wang chuan natural number therefore natural number is commutative or natural number satisfy commutative law under addition chuan ani le tuna hin under addition kan tita next non-example kan en liang under subtraction chutini chuan natural achungami ang chi hem plus minus athakila hemi te hi in tluk ve chuan natural number satisfy commutative law under subtraction aniang tro ma se minus 1 hi 1 tina niang hemi te in tluk chuan tro ma se but minus 1 is not equal to 1 tro chu heti hang kan zia kang natural number will satisfy commutative law under subtraction if a minus b equal to b minus a for all ab belongs to s. S hi a set atira atila s kan ti kha ngai zel taila ing set a po mo chuan tuna s a chuan n kan hmangta natural number anta s tilawin tian n tiang natural number kan ti to a chutini chuan but 1 minus 2 is not equal to 2 minus 1 or minus 1 is not equal to 1. Therefore, natural number does not satisfy commutative law under subtraction. Intile mayang. Under chuan associative law. Associative law chuan star on S is said to be associative. Star hi so yang han operation ani ti kha sheila operation chu belte peite multiplication te du engkim mo khati ang kha ani vek theya chuan associative tur chuan A star B bracket chunga B star C oma chuan a bracket omna in thlaka A star B star C en tuk chuan chu example a kan en chuan real number a entaila addition on real number is associative. Chu inge chan chu example pakhat te enila 1 plus 2 plus 3 hian inge tluk 1 plus bracket chung mi kan khoi masa 2 plus 3 5 6 tiang che chuan 1 plus 2 kan bel masak pon chunga 3 plus 3 lo ma chu 6 ani tro khatiang ang zel khan hian entir chu 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 a bracket omna hi mo tiang che khan ani a khatiang zel khan addition a chuan khoi po bel masaila kan bel chuak kha en tluk zel don tho tro chumini wang chuan addition on real number hi associative kan ti le theya atobera chuan distributive law kan neya distributive law chuan we say that star is distributive over o hemi te hi operation pani plus le minus mo plus le multiplication operation pani kan du te is distributive over o if A star B O C equal to A star B O A star C multiplication hi en chin don taila example a kan say thei chu multiplication distributes addition on R distribute addition on R omzia chu A into B plus C hian A into B plus A into C tluk ti na ni. For all A, B, C belongs to real number. Chumi chu hi into key multiplication tipo hena zia thaya B plus A dot C for all A, B, C belongs to R. So a number te in and sin to email number do layla 1 2 3 mo. So chance and 1 into 2 1 into 3 and look cm 5 and me don't draw 5 into 1 2 plus 3 5 draw 5 equal to 5 yang che khan thil dang zela po khan ma a hian problem sang sang kan chaknga ta hian multiplication hian a then sang mo a distribute over addition tiang khan operation danga ani vel zel thin don em ti ta kha kan la en zel don ani